All right, so we got a leaky tonneau cover we're gonna replace. This came from factory, Ford. I'm not sure exactly what model it is, but I'm pretty sure it is from realtruck.com, and it is the Extang Solid Fold 2.0, I think. Not 100% sure, but this little seal that runs through here, I was able to match it with one that Real Truck had. I'm pretty sure that's who makes it, is Real Truck. So take these little screws out in here. This thing's freaking hot. All right, so that's out. And then it's the seal that goes right here. This one and this one. We're gonna replace all of them. And again, this is dimpled here, but I think it's out of warranty. And guys at the Ford dealership are pretty much useless. So it's up to me to kind of do it on my own here. This helps if you have a second person. I don't right now. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. It's so hot. And if you can do this in the shade, it helps a ton. Ow. Pro tip, don't do this when it is 94 degrees. That will help a ton. All right. So there's that one. So it would help if, let me just pull this out here. That's it there for that one. Again, that seal there, that seal there. Leave that like that, that's how it was in there. Looks like they're sticking out about 1/4 inch. Let me slide this one out. All right. And then slide this one out. Oh my gosh, is that hot? Whew. This wasn't leaking terribly, but it was leaking enough that I couldn't put stuff in there and be sure that it would stay dry. these new ones. I got these from realtruck.com. They had some on e-trailer, but I was able to replace all 4 of them for the price of the one on e-trailer. Just slowly slide this across. Woo! I am sweating. 91 degrees, according to the Apple Watch. Oh, shit. Don't do that. Perfect. Okay. Now, it's gonna keep going. All right, and I'm gonna leave about quarter inch. On each side. That's probably a little more than a quarter inch, just in case it shrinks. And now